gonna show you how to make those really cute bookmarks. For that, I'm using some small cardboard paper, a ink printer, and a LaserPecker. Something that you can also notice is that I also printed a limit around the drawing, and that makes it very easy for me to measure how much the print was, to put it in the laser cutter, and to align in a very seamless and easy way. I'm also printing a box around my drawing, and this is the same box that is there on the cutting lines as well. I can easily measure the distance and then set it as the dimension in the LaserPecker. To do a preview. And that was fairly easy to make sure that the drawings were really aligned thanks to the box. Time to get started with the laser cutting. So for paper, what I'm gonna do is put 15% length and 1% power. Now it's nicely cut. We can see at the back the cut line. And what I like about this setting is that I can also gift it as a detachable version. If you want the cut to be complete, you can also use 1% power and 20% depth. Then you would get a very neat cut. And so here we are. We have our little bookmark. What you can see is that it is cut throughout, but this is also a setting that makes it that you can gift it, just cut around and make it like a little postcard that the person can detach their own bookmark. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments if you tried it and if you gifted it, and I hope you enjoyed. Happy crafting!